up and down, clap your hands, 1, 2. Swing your arms, 1, 2. Count along, we're grooving to the parent squawk. It's time to soar. Flap your wings, 3, 4. Jump up high, 3, 4. Let's count some more. Now the elephants march with trunks so thick. Swing 'em left, 5, 6. Swing 'em right, 5, 6. Now let's do a jungle twist. The little snap, the feeling great. Snap your hands, 7, 8. Move your feet, 7, 8. Dance until it's super late. Final groove, then the jungle band plays loud again. Drum roll now, 9, 10. Spin around, 9, 10. Now we start it all again. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.